Think dry chia seeds are healthy? You're only getting half the benefits and risking digestive trouble. Here's why you should always soak them. 1. Better digestion. Dry chia can absorb water in your gut, leading to bloating or discomfort. 2. Nutrient unlock. Soaking breaks down enzyme inhibitors, releasing more omega-3s, fiber, and protein. 3. Hydration boost. Soaked chia holds 10 times its weight in water, perfect for sustained energy and appetite control. 4. Easier absorption. Your body can absorb vitamins and minerals faster when seeds are pre-gelled. 5. Versatility. Add them to smoothies, puddings, or oats. No weird crunch or choking risk. Soak them for 20 to 30 minutes in water or plant milk before eating. It's a small step with major health payoffs. Don't eat them dry. Soak smart. Nourish fit.